Welcome back to Mixed with Marcy. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well and feeling blessed. Today we will be coloring the bundles that I bleached in my previous video. Yes, this is the Afro Kinky Brazilian hair that I purchased off Amazon. This video is not sponsored, but I am reviewing this hair for my own educational purposes, and I am sharing this journey with you guys. So let's hop into the video. So today we will be using My Identity by Guy Tang. This will be my first time using this product line, and I have the 6 volume developer. I have 7 CRC, which is a copper red, and I have my bowl and brush. We are using 6 volume mainly because we are only depositing. We are not trying to lift this hair, and even if we wanted to, we could not, being that the hair is bleached already. Anyhow, here's the hair. Here's how it look while it's dry, and we will just go ahead and measure out the color. So I have my scale, and I will sit my bowl on the scale and clear out the screen. Then I'll go ahead and measure out my color and get started. So today we are using a demi-permanent hair dye. This demi-permanent hair dye requires a 1:2 ratio. So you will do twice the amount of developer than your color. Now that we have our formula in our bowl, we're going to mix it up until it is nice and creamy. Once you're all mixed up, then we'll start applying it onto our pre-sectioned hair. Make sure to fully saturate your hair bundles, or whatever you're coloring. Please make sure to saturate each and every strand to ensure an even result.